to check your tires for wear.
Tires for wear, find your tread wear indicator block set and check to ensure that this indicator is not at the same level as or lower than the tire tread. Make sure there's a minimum tread depth of 1.6mm on the tire. Anything else is illegal for use on public roads. Make sure to check your tires regularly and visit us today to get a new set of tires for your vehicle.
When were your tires born?
Did you know that your tires are supposed to be replaced at least every 5 years? But how do you know how old they are? If you look right here on the tire, you'll see the manufacturer's date. 0521 stands for the 5th week of 2021. Now, let's take a look at another tire. The first two characters represents the week of the year, okay? That is the second week of 2019. We're going to check another tire out right here. All right, this one here shows that we've got the 43rd week of 2019. So you can see this is how you're starting to read this, all right? And you'll know how old your tires are. This one here is the 28th week of 2020. If you like cool tips and tricks for your car like this, make sure you follow me and hit that like button.
Check if your tires need changing. It's really simple. All you need to do is get a 20p coin and place it in one of the grooves. If the back of the rim of the coin is showing, like this wheel, you need to change it immediately. Because this is quite dangerous, this tire. But if you can't see it like this, you're fine.